Ralph Lauren products are being born digital. Starting with the iconic Polo Ralph Lauren line, new items can be tracked and authenticated throughout their life cycle. Born digital products bring trackability from the point of manufacture, brand protection, product authenticity, and a connected product experience for consumers. With a quick scan of the garment's QR code using a smartphone camera, consumers can immediately verify the item is authentically Ralph Lauren. They can also access product information, receive styling recommendations, and visit Ralph Lauren's e-commerce site to learn more, shop, or connect with customer services. By engaging directly through the product itself, Ralph Lauren aims to build a stronger, more personalized relationship between the company and its consumers. So how does it work? It begins with Ralph Lauren's partners in hundreds of factories around the world, where every item once made is assigned a unique, serialized digital identity in the EVRYTHNG Product Cloud. After each item is activated on the production line in the factory, the product is shipped to stores, where consumers can scan the product themselves. For Ralph Lauren, this generates valuable new insights into consumer engagement, as well as real-time visibility of supply chain performance. This is a new milestone in data intelligence and a world first for the apparel industry. This is the power of born digital products, and it's just the beginning.